What's going on?
Priest Jehoiada has called a meeting at the temple. It's important. Citizens, you have been brought here for the purpose of joining forces to oppose oppression in Israel. The tyranny of Queen Athaliah has brought suffering to every subject in this land.
Right! For 7 whole years!
May I speak? My dear husband has been held in the prison all this time when he was actually innocent.
Quiet! Witness, we still have the shields and spears in the temple that belonged to King David. Will you make a pact with me to use these weapons to defend God and Israel against the unbeliever Queen Athaliah?
We will!
We shall fight, but first I want you all to meet someone. This is Prince Joash, the son of Ahaziah and heir to the throne.
Oh, God be praised.
Prince Joash.
Well,
My lord.
pleased to meet you. In fact, I'm pleased to meet everybody, and I promise to try and be a good king.
Stand aside.
Oh.
What a ridiculous impropriety. What's the meaning of these cries of God save the king? I'm the ruler of the people of Israel.
No, Athaliah.
Jehoiada.
This young man's the rightful sovereign here.
Ah! Who is that boy?
Hey, must be the one prince who got away alive. Sure.
Curses! It was commanded years ago that all the sons of Ahaziah should be murdered. Why is he still alive? Captain, capture that boy. At once! Make haste or I'll send you to jail for shirking duty. Would you be so base you would desert the queen?
Wait, prepare yourself. Your time has come.
Captain! Take her away, please, Captain. Out beyond the gate so no blood is shed in front of the holy temple.
This is treason!
Soldier.
Yes, sir!
Release
go.
me, you! I'm the queen! Unhand me! Treason!
And that was the end of the wicked queen. Joash, descendant of David, became the new king of Israel when he was only 7 years old. He reigned in Jerusalem for 40 years, always doing what was right in the sight of the Lord, thanks to the guidance of the priest Jehoiada. His greatest contribution was repairing the temple in Jerusalem, where it had been damaged by relatives of the wicked queen.